her first performance since the attack. She's dancing with Christian Leitner.
Ring my bell, ring my bells. 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 Sometimes you love it, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you need it, then you don't, and you let go. Sometimes we rush it, sometimes we fall. It doesn't matter, baby, we can take it real slow.
Ladies and gentlemen, members of the research team, Elliot Rouse and Nathan Verkartzi. Elliot and Nathan.